What do a sunflower and your Plano home have in common? They both love sunshine. But while sunflowers can't lower your electricity bill or boost your property value, your home can, thanks to solar energy. Just like a sunflower follows the sun to grow, your home can soak up that same Texas sunshine to power your everyday life. Think of your roof not just as a cover, but as a mini power plant, quietly turning sunlight into electricity to run your appliances, charge your devices, and keep you cool during those hot Plano summers. And while sunflowers just grow taller, a solar-powered home grows smarter. It lowers your carbon footprint, protects you from rising energy costs, and even increases your home's value. It's like having a money tree on your roof, one that thrives on sunshine and keeps saving you money year after year. Plano's abundant sunshine makes it an ideal location for solar energy. But before you rush to install those sleek panels on your roof, let's break down the key steps to ensure you make the most of your solar investment. First, think about your energy needs. Check your electricity bills to see how much power you use each month. Are you planning on getting an electric car or adding a home office? Knowing how much energy you'll need helps you pick the right size for your solar system. Now let's talk about your roof. South-facing roofs are great, but east or west-facing roofs can work well too. However, shade from trees or neighboring buildings can impact efficiency, so a professional shade analysis is a must. Now, here's some exciting news. Going solar in Plano comes with some impressive financial perks. The federal government gives you a 30% tax credit on your solar installation, so you save a lot right off the bat. Plus, check for local rebates and incentives, and you might even be able to sell extra energy back to the grid through net metering. When it comes to choosing solar panels, you've got options. Monocrystalline panels offer top-notch efficiency, but come with a higher price tag. Polycrystalline panels are more budget-friendly but slightly less efficient. Consider your roof space and budget when making your choice. Also, make sure the panels come with solid warranties, usually 25 years for performance and 10 years for the product. Finding the right installer is crucial for your solar success story. Look for local companies with stellar reputations, and don't be shy about asking for references. Pro tip: choose installers certified by the North American Board of Certified Energy Practitioners for that extra level of expertise. Let's talk financing. Buying outright offers the best long-term savings, but solar loans can help you go green without a massive upfront cost. Leases and power purchase agreements, or PPAs, are also available if you prefer a low upfront cost option, though they may result in lower long-term savings. Before the installation starts, you'll need to navigate local regulations and utility requirements. No worries, your installer will take care of most of that. Once everything's ready, installation usually takes 1 to 3 days. After that, your solar system will start producing clean, renewable energy for your home. You can even monitor your system in real time with modern apps to see how much energy you're saving. Going solar in Plano is more than just a smart financial move. It's a step towards a cleaner, more sustainable future. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'll be sharing more tips on solar energy and sustainable living, so stay tuned. Until next time, keep embracing a lifestyle that's green, clean, and smart.